Good evening, dear friends. Tonight, I want to share something that could fundamentally change how you think about aging and leg weakness. If you're over 60 and struggling with tired, achy, or unsteady legs, the next few minutes might be the most important investment you make in your mobility and independence. For years, we've been told that weak legs are just part of getting older. That's simply not the whole story. While our bodies do change with age, much of the leg weakness, cramping, and instability that plagues seniors stems from a correctable problem: deficiency in 3 critical vitamins that your body desperately needs, especially during nighttime repair. Here's what frustrates me on your behalf. These nutrients are inexpensive, widely available, and scientifically proven to work. Yet because they're not profitable pharmaceuticals, they rarely get mentioned in doctors' offices or advertised on television. The silence around these solutions is deafening, and seniors are suffering needlessly because of it. Consider these research findings. When just one of these vitamins is missing, leg cramp risk increases by 42%, muscle repair slows by 37%, fall risk after age 60 can triple. These aren't minor inconveniences. These are life-altering statistics that every senior deserves to know. The most powerful vitamin I'll reveal today has been shown to boost leg strength by 31% in clinical studies. Yet almost no seniors take it properly. Why? Because there's no money in fixing root causes with simple, natural solutions. But there's tremendous value for you in understanding and using them. When these 3 nutrients are absent, your muscles cannot recover from daily wear and tear. Nerve signals to your legs become scrambled. Your foundation for independence gradually weakens. However, recent studies show that seniors who take these specific vitamins before bed experience faster muscle repair, reduced leg pain, and improved balance within days. Your body doesn't build or repair muscle while you're walking around during the day. The real magic happens at night, during deep sleep, when your body shifts into recovery mode. This is when growth hormone releases, even in your senior years, triggering muscle repair and regeneration. During these precious nighttime hours, your nervous system performs critical maintenance, repairing the protective coating around nerves and strengthening brain-to-muscle connections. But without the right nutrients in your bloodstream during this window, these repair processes simply cannot happen effectively. Think of it like trying to bake bread without flour or yeast. Your body wants to rebuild your legs every night, but if the essential ingredients aren't available, the work can't get done. That's why taking these vitamins before bed changes everything. You're providing the raw materials exactly when your body needs them most. Vitamin B12, the nerve and muscle communicator. Let's begin with vitamin B12, a nutrient many seniors have heard of but few truly understand. For your legs, B12 acts like electrical wiring, keeping your muscles and nerves in constant communication. When B12 levels drop, as they commonly do after 60, this vital communication breaks down. It's not that your muscles are weak. They're simply not receiving clear signals from your nervous system. Over time, this communication failure becomes actual weakness, then balance problems, then those terrifying moments when your legs don't respond as they should. Here's something crucial. After age 60, your body becomes significantly less efficient at absorbing B12 from food. As we age, our stomachs produce less hydrochloric acid, which is essential for extracting B12 from proteins. You could be eating plenty of eggs, fish, and meat, yet still be deficient. The National Institutes of Health reports that up to 43% of seniors have low or borderline B12 levels, often without knowing it. The symptoms creep in gradually. Numbness in your feet, tingling sensations, morning stiffness in your calves, then suddenly your knees buckle when standing. It's frightening and preventable. B12 maintains the myelin sheath, a protective layer surrounding your nerves, like insulation around electrical wires. Without adequate B12, this coating deteriorates, nerves controlling your leg muscles become damaged, and your brain signals can't get through properly. A landmark study in neurology followed 2,500 seniors, finding that those with low B12 were nearly 3 times more likely to develop walking difficulties and had 60% higher fall risk. These aren't small numbers. They represent real people losing their independence unnecessarily. The encouraging news is that your nervous system performs its best repair work during sleep. This is when damaged nerve tissue gets replaced and muscle signaling resets. Taking B12 before bed ensures this crucial nutrient is available during your body's prime repair window. Unlike stimulants, B12 supports calm brain function and won't disturb your sleep. Many seniors actually report deeper, more restorative sleep when taking B12 at night. The most effective form is methylcobalamin, particularly as sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue, bypassing digestive issues entirely. Clinical data shows that seniors who restore B12 levels often experience improved muscle control, faster nerve responses, and stronger leg contractions within 10 to 14 days. One documented case showed a senior who couldn't walk unassisted for more than 10 minutes regaining full mobility after 6 weeks of B12 supplementation. This isn't miraculous. It's simply giving your body what it's been missing. Vitamin D3, your nighttime muscle builder. Now let's discuss vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin that does far more than support bones. After 60, D3 becomes one of your body's most powerful tools for building and protecting leg muscle. If you're not taking it before bed, you're missing your body's prime recovery window. Over 70% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D3, most without realizing it. The consequences are serious: weaker legs, slower muscle recovery, and significantly increased fall risk. This isn't just about sunshine and calcium. It's about your muscle's fundamental ability to rebuild after daily use. Vitamin D3 directly influences muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle fibers. After 60, this natural rebuilding ability declines rapidly. When D3 levels are low, the decline accelerates dramatically. This is when sarcopenia begins. Your thigh muscles thin out, your calves lose their shape. The powerful glute muscles that help you stand and climb start shrinking. You feel it before you see it. Chairs become harder to escape. Stairs become mountains. Standing becomes exhausting. Your world gradually shrinks. A groundbreaking 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology tracked seniors with low D3 levels. Those who supplemented with D3 at night gained 19% more leg strength and experienced 34% fewer falls over 3 months. These are life-changing improvements. D3 activates specific muscle receptors that trigger strength and stability. These receptors are most active during deep sleep when growth hormone releases. Taking D3 at bedtime synchronizes perfectly with your body's natural repair cycle. Additionally, D3 calms inflammation inside muscle tissue. That deep thigh ache, that burning sensation in your calves at night, often stems from chronic microinflammation that D3 helps regulate naturally. Don't rely on sunlight alone. After 60, your skin produces 75% less D3 from the same sun exposure. Even daily outdoor walks might not provide enough. Supplementation has become essential, not optional. Most seniors benefit from 2,000 to 4,000 international units of D3 nightly. Choose D3 cholecalciferol, not D2, and take it with a small amount of healthy fat for better absorption. Despite concerns, D3 won't disrupt sleep. Some studies suggest it actually improves sleep quality by calming your nervous system and reducing leg cramps. Vitamin K2, the hidden key to leg strength. Now we arrive at the most powerful yet least known vitamin, K2. This isn't K1 from leafy greens. K2 is completely different, working deep inside your bones and muscles to restore what aging steadily takes away. If your legs feel weak, achy, or unstable, if your knees crack when standing, if your calves feel like rubber by noon, your body is likely starving for K2. Let me explain what makes this vitamin extraordinary. K2 acts as a traffic director for calcium, ensuring it goes into bones where it belongs, not into arteries, joints, or soft tissues where it causes problems. Without adequate K2, calcium gets misdirected, stiffening blood vessels, accumulating in joints, and hardening soft tissue. This explains why many seniors experience weak bones and aching legs simultaneously. But here's what's rarely discussed. K2 activates muscle repair genes. A 2021 study in Nutrients gave older adults daily K2 and tracked their progress. Within 8 weeks, participants showed 21% increased quadriceps strength and 31% improved standing balance. These are real, measurable improvements, strongest in those taking K2 before bed. K2 partners perfectly with vitamin D3. D3 brings calcium into your bloodstream. K2 ensures it reaches the right destination. Without adequate K2, D3 supplementation alone can cause problems by moving calcium without proper guidance. This explains why some seniors taking D3 still experience joint stiffness or pain. K2 also activates osteocalcin, a protein stimulating bone formation while enhancing muscle glucose metabolism. This is especially important for seniors with pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, or poor circulation. Clinical trials show seniors taking K2 demonstrate better blood sugar control and stronger leg endurance during walking tests. Bedtime dosing supports overnight muscle glycogen replenishment, meaning stronger legs without morning soreness. The problem is K2's rarity in modern diets. It's found primarily in fermented foods like natto, aged cheeses, and organ meats. Unless you eat these regularly, you're likely deficient. The solution is MK7 supplementation, the most absorbable K2 form that remains active for days, providing consistent calcium regulation and muscle support throughout nighttime recovery. Taking K2 before bed gives your body precise signals to rebuild while you sleep. Let me guide you through implementing these 3 vitamins into your evening routine. Success lies in consistency and proper timing. Begin with B12 30 minutes before bed. Place 1,000 micrograms sublingual methylcobalamin tablet under your tongue, letting it dissolve completely. Don't swallow it. The goal is direct absorption through mouth tissues, bypassing your digestive system. Take B12 on a relatively empty stomach, at least 2 hours after dinner, ensuring maximum absorption without food interference. Keep the bottle beside your toothbrush or set a phone reminder. Within days, it becomes automatic. Next, prepare your D3 and K2. Take these together 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Since both are fat-soluble, take them with a small amount of healthy fat. A teaspoon of almond butter, a few walnuts, or a small piece of cheese. Start with 2,000 international units of D3 if you're new to supplementation, up to 4,000 if deficient. Always choose D3, cholecalciferol. For K2, select MK7 form at 100 to 200 micrograms. Many supplements now combine D3 and K2 inch proper ratios, simplifying your routine. If you take other medications, space these vitamins at least 1 hour apart from prescriptions unless your doctor advises otherwise. This prevents interactions and ensures optimal absorption. Create a peaceful bedtime ritual. Prepare a tray with water, your supplements, and perhaps herbal tea. This signals your body that repair time has arrived. While these vitamins are powerful alone, simple daily adjustments can dramatically enhance their effectiveness. First, prioritize hydration. Dehydration thickens blood, slows circulation, and prevents nutrient delivery to muscles. Even with perfect supplementation, dehydration blocks progress. That heavy leg feeling at night often stems from poor hydration. Sip water steadily throughout the day, aiming for 1 glass every 90 minutes. Add lemon or cucumber for variety. Stop large amounts 1 hour before bed to avoid sleep disruption. Proper hydration plus nighttime vitamins creates the perfect recovery environment. Second, optimize your evening meal. Heavy, starchy, or sugary dinners force your body to prioritize digestion over muscle repair. Keep dinner light, palm-sized protein with vegetables, finishing at least 2 hours before supplements. This allows vitamins to work while your body focuses on repair, not digestion. Third, incorporate gentle pre-bed leg movement, not exercise, just circulation support. Try 10 seated leg extensions, ankle circles, or heel raises. These movements activate blood flow, helping deliver vitamins more effectively to muscle tissue. Studies show seniors doing 5 minutes of light leg movement before sleep experience 22% increased nighttime blood flow, with less cramping and better morning mobility within 10 days. Week 1 brings subtle changes: deeper sleep, reduced tingling, less morning stiffness. Your body is beginning to use these nutrients effectively. Week 2 shows clearer improvements. Legs feel less heavy by evening, standing becomes easier, night cramps decrease, morning balance improves. Weeks 3 and 4 reveal significant changes. Walking feels more natural, stairs become manageable, standing duration increases, persistent aches quiet down. By month 2, many seniors report feeling years younger in their legs. Strength improves, confidence returns, fear of falling fades. You might find yourself accepting invitations you'd been declining. These improvements build progressively. Stronger legs enable more activity. More activity improves circulation. Better circulation enhances nutrient delivery. It's a positive cycle that continues strengthening over time. While these vitamins are generally safe, some precautions apply. If you take blood thinners like warfarin, consult your doctor before starting K2, as it affects blood clotting. This doesn't prohibit K2 use but requires medical supervision. With kidney disease, be cautious with D3 doses. Start lower and monitor levels with your healthcare provider. B12 is very safe, being water-soluble with excess eliminated naturally. However, correcting severe long-term deficiency can temporarily unmask other issues. Choose quality supplements from reputable manufacturers with third-party testing certifications. Poor quality vitamins may not absorb properly or contain problematic fillers. If you experience unusual symptoms like persistent nausea, headaches, or skin reactions, stop supplementation and consult your provider. While rare, individual responses vary. Tonight, start simple. Begin with D3, as most seniors are deficient. Take 2,000 international units with a small snack 30 minutes before bed. Continue for 1 week, observing how you feel. Week 2, add sublingual B12, 1,000 micrograms, 30 minutes before bed. Continue both for another week. Week 3, add K2, MK7 form, 100 micrograms with your D3. Your complete protocol is now active. Keep a simple journal noting morning and evening leg sensations, energy, balance, and any discomfort. After 1 month, review your progress. These notes reveal improvements you might otherwise miss. Share this information with friends facing similar challenges. You could transform someone's life by sharing these insights. To those feeling discouraged, who've tried other solutions without success, who've been told weakness is inevitable, I understand your frustration and fear. But research and countless senior experiences prove your body retains remarkable repair capability when given proper tools. Age doesn't prevent improvement. It's never too late to support your muscles and nerves properly. These 3 vitamins aren't magic, but they're missing pieces your body needs to solve its recovery puzzle. Your legs have carried you through decades of adventures, work, and precious moments. They deserve this support. You deserve to feel strong, stable, and confident. Taking care of your legs means protecting your freedom, independence, and quality of life. Strong legs keep you engaged with people and activities you love. They let you say yes to opportunities instead of no to limitations. Start tonight with B12 for nerve repair, D3 for muscle building, and K2 for calcium direction and muscle activation. Take them 30 minutes before bed using the protocol I've outlined. Add gentle daily hydration, lighter evening meals, and brief pre-bed leg movements. These small, consistent steps lead to significant improvements in how your legs feel and function. You don't have to accept weakness as inevitable or fear falling and losing mobility. You have the power to support your body's natural repair processes with 3 simple vitamins taken at the right time. Your legs have supported you throughout life. Now it's time to support them. Start tonight, stay consistent, and provide your body the tools it needs to rebuild strength while you sleep. The improvements might surprise you. Thank you for investing time in your health today. Your commitment to maintaining strength and independence is inspiring. Here's to stronger legs, better balance, and many more years of active, confident living. Remember, it's never too late to start supporting your body the right way.